storytelling about Swan and Bird. My name is Alia Ramadhani and
My name is Mitri Hanan. Hey, what are you doing?
hi Bird, I'm relaxing.
Wow, I see your fur is getting prettier.
Oh, thanks Bird.
I'm so jealous of you.
Why should I be jealous? You have a sweet voice, Bird.
Oh yeah, you're rich too.
We each have our own adventures.
You are rich.
Don't be jealous anymore, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.